National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Athens County. This includes Nelsonville, Gloucester, western Morgan County, Perry County. This includes Somerset, Shawnee, Perry State Forest, New Lexington, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:12 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. These storms were located near Nelsonville, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Eagleport, Burr Oak State Park, Tremble, Thornville, Renville, New Straitsville, Junction City, Jacksonville, Hemlock, Glenford, Crooksville, Corning, Chauncey, and Butchville. Very heavy rain will also fall from this severe thunderstorm and will cause water to bond on roads and quickly fill roadside ditches and small streams. Please report hail or strong wind to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 800-401-9535 when you can do so safely. You may also report severe weather by posting your report to the Charleston, West Virginia National Weather Service Facebook page or by using the Twitter hashtag NWSRLX.
Yes, we have. I just posted a picture to my Facebook page. A viewer sent me a thing. A picture.